We're seeing that many Australian businesses are still struggling to really capitalise on the well-documented benefits of enterprise mobility. And as the local mobility market matures through 2014, UXC Connect sees three key issues for CXOs. With a seemingly endless catalogue of devices flooding the market, it's very easy to get caught up just focusing short-term on how the device can be used to do things. And certainly businesses should look closely at how tablets, phones, and increasingly wearables will play a part. However, in order to drive business process transformation and the benefits this can bring, there needs to be far more holistic and longer-term views on the approach to enterprise mobility. And the move from the traditional network connectivity to ubiquitous wireless is a challenging one. But it's also an opportunity to ensure the optimal use of mobility infrastructure to enable efficiencies while still making mobility an affordable program in the face of fixed or even diminishing IT funding. So organisations need to plan for how they're going to address these business challenges while still getting the most out of what budget they do have. Management of mobile application development, its governance, supporting architecture and platforms is something we're also getting asked a lot about. Applications like Dropbox allow the sharing of data instantaneously, but introduce significant risks in terms of data leakage. Mobile application security is such a new domain that enterprises unwittingly expose their data. Badly designed and poorly tested apps can introduce massive security threats into the business ecosystem for both staff and customers. Mobile app platforms are relatively new, and therefore both the know-how to use them as well as the inherent security in the code is not very well understood as yet. And malware on the device can tamper with the exchange of information in and between apps, leading to things like theft of a customer's identity, which, as you can imagine, has massive negative implications, both from a financial and from a brand perspective. So businesses need to make sure in their haste to allow users to access corporate data that their intellectual property, or even worse, their customers' details, are not at risk of getting into unwanted hands or leaving with an employee when they leave the job. Having a properly implemented mobility program should result in a surge in the operational momentum of the business. This comes from staff being able to work dynamically from multiple locations on multiple devices and being able to act far more efficiently on the information and the business processes they need to access. It's about a step change in productivity and real-time decision-making based on highly accurate data. And in terms of building competitive advantage, we're seeing universities improving teaching and learning outcomes for the students and for the researchers, and providing far better student experience both on the campus and for remote students. When it comes to better patient outcomes, clinicians and health workers can access critical information in real time to improve patient care. And businesses can provide far better service to customers, nurturing loyalty and increasing the development and conversion rates of sales opportunities. A key to attracting and retaining top talent into the business is to offer the freedom and flexibility to be far more productive while promoting a healthier work-life balance. The ability to efficiently work from the devices, the apps, and the locations that appeal to the employee without negatively impacting the business is what underpins this concept. We've been enabling our customers to get the best out of enterprise mobility for nearly 4 years now. We start by helping them to understand their maturity and to measure where they are versus where they need to be to meet their business goals. We then help them to design a business outcome-oriented strategy and to steadily implement the roadmap to get them there. We focus on user profiles, identifying use cases and business processes that can be transformed through mobilization. We help our customers to achieve the greatest impact for a manageable cost of ownership. And we take an all-inclusive approach to security so that information governance and regulatory compliance is not compromised. Ultimately, we help to pave the way to business optimization and transformation. UXC Connect has developed mobility programs for many large corporate and government organizations. Through our MaaS platform, our Mobility as a Service platform, with its flexible, service-based approach, Toyota, for example, is improving the way it conducts many aspects of business, increasing productivity for its staff and improving customer experience. We are currently developing a strategy for one of Australia's largest universities and also for a major federal government department. We know how to build a great mobility strategy and the accompanying roadmap that really helps our customers achieve the business benefits they're looking for from their investment.